So I saw on the forum, on the Kawasaki Concours forum, somebody was talking about having a dirty sight glass, and somebody said, "Oh, just pull the cover and clean it." Well, on the most bikes that's not a problem, but on the Concours, because it houses the bevel gear, it's not as easy as all that. So you gotta pull the shaft and swing arm, all that to get at it. But anyway, since I don't have this one together, I can't say for sure that there's enough clearance. But looking at this Voyager cover, there should be enough clearance that if you take one of these craft tubes, like I get it at Ace, you can get it online, whatever. This one happens to be a 1/8 inch outer diameter, and then I took the straw from the carb cleaner, put it in there, bent it carefully so that I can pull the straw out, and then it fits over the straw pretty well, and then pull the clutch or slave to go in, and now it's going to take some finagling to get it in there without hitting on the case and all the gears that way. But then, you can, and I'm not saying to use carb cleaner in there, I'm just saying, a spray cleaner will get in there. So then you can use whatever cleaner you feel comfortable with to get at it. And like I said, it'll probably take a little bit of finagling to make sure that there's clearance for the tube, and so that you can get it right in where you want it. But if your sight glass is so full of sludge that you can't see your oil, that might be worth trying.